Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Yamkela Makupula clinches exciting Rockwell-linked Alluvial diamond deal. Gold heading towards a refuge of choice status, says incoming AngloGold CEO. And explorer within striking distance of declaring maiden as a diamond resource. Alluvial diamond mining investor Yamkela Makupula has clinched an alluvial diamond mining transaction, which makes her a 30% shareholder in 3 diamond assets that have a link with the former Rockwell diamonds.
We have an opportunity to grow this sector, and that's where the excitement is, because if 15 years ago this sector was employing about 25,000 people, then there's an opportunity 15 years later to actually start growing it in becoming that sector. So that is why you'll find that even with SATPO, the South African Diamond Producers, I have been involved in making sure that I am not just a co-owner and a partner to my partners, but then for the industry at large, we are able to make sure that we've got policies that will be implementable for us to grow the sector.
Gold is poised to be a refuge of choice in the years ahead, owing to the extent to which money is being printed and world debt is rising.
I'm very happy to be in gold. And the reason for that is we know that the United States and the European and the Australian central banks are printing money like there's no tomorrow. We know that the world is full of debt. And hence, at some point in the future, maybe not in the next months, but certainly in the next years, the refuge of choice will be gold. So I'm actually quite optimistic, and I like having that upside, working in a company with such an upside from that point of view.
After investing just over 20 million rand on diamond exploration projects in South Africa, diamond exploration and development company Botswana Diamonds is within striking distance of being able to declare its maiden diamond resource.
The development of a resource obviously depends on positive exploration results. And so far we've had those positive exploration results. But for a junior like us, and you mentioned at the very beginning, we are listed on the London AIM market and the Botswana Stock Exchange, it's about being able to raise sufficient funds at a fair price and without too much dilution of your founding shareholders to progress your work. So on the one hand, you've got the work requirements, and if one was a large corporate, yes, you could get this done possibly much, much quicker. And on the other hand, you have your funding requirements where you have to try and raise money at successively higher share prices so you can fund your exploration work. So what that means in practice is that we do campaign development. The next phase of work, which we said we will do, is to complete the sample treatment of those samples which we drilled earlier in the new year. We expect those results by the end of July. And then following that, we'll do the next phase of drilling in August before the wet season. And if those results are positive, we would like to move towards bulk sampling. And we have a Section 20 authorization, which allows us to do the bulk sampling on this property because you actually need to sell the diamonds in order for you to get a proper diamond price.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.